I think the number one thing in order to get into a STEM program in a graduate school is to have research experience, because as a graduate student, you're not just taking classes and trying to get A's and being successful in class. Faculty really want to see that you know what research is about, that you'll be working on projects that most of the time are not going to work out successfully, and it's not going to be clear where you are in the process of an experiment. And you have to be able to take the information that you're getting, whether it's positive or negative, and adjust and decide what to do next with that information. And so knowing that you know what that process is like and that you're comfortable with it and you still are willing to pursue that for the next 5 years is really important. Many STEM graduate programs pay for you to be there, and they don't want you to come and in the first 2 years find out that being in a lab all the time is not something that really is where your heart is. So that is the most important thing, is having research experience, having letters of recommendation from faculty. Even if your experiments don't work out, that you're dedicated and enjoy and understand the research process. It's never too late to get research experience. You can offer to volunteer in labs that are on your campus. I found small startup biotech companies around the place where I lived, and I worked there, part-time in the summertime. There's lots of different ways to get involved. There are a lot of programs that will pay for you to come to their campus and do a 10-week project or a summer-long project. You can even get a stipend. Some students will take time off before applying in order to fit research projects in.